Hi, I'm Alex Siegel, the master of runes. In this video I will show you a runic formula for passion, love and success. The runes are Kenas, Lagus, Vunio. Kenas is the rune of the passion, of romantic passion, of the fire, of inspiration. Lagus is the rune of the water element, of positive emotions, of a continuous process that is uninterrupted. Vunio is the rune of joy, success and happiness. It represents the end result of this magical operation. So together these three runes will invite inspiration, passion, fire, desire, positive emotions, and make all these emotions into a steady stream of a positive emotional flow in your life. It will result in your satisfaction and your success and in your happiness overall. To use this rune formula, you can draw it on a candle and burn it, you can draw it on the left side of your body, or you can create a runic amulet and activate it with a ritual that I teach on my free course. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.